Today I am going to show you how to do Kapalabhati Pranayama. Sit straight, do the prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishamahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Kapala means skull, this portion, and Bhati means shining. After practicing Kapalabhati, the skull portion will get more oxygen, or the blood circulation to the head region increases. Once the blood circulation increases, your health increases, or you will have more positive attitude in your body. Once your positive attitude towards life increases, your longevity will increases, and you will look at positive. Always you will feel positive, you will be more energized. Now we will start the practice. To do Kapalabhati, sit straight, keep your back straight, erect, no body movements. Close your eyes, keep your hands in comfortable posture. It may be in Chin Mudra or it may be like this. You can sit Kapalabhati by sitting in Padmasana or Sukhasana or Vajrasana. Whichever you feel comfortable, you can follow the same. Now I am sitting in Sukhasana or just normal sitting. If you are comfortable, you can sit in Padmasana. The posture may be anything, but back should be straight, erect, no movements, no body oscillations. Sit straight, close your eyes, keep your hand, try to avoid the oscillation of your body. Do fast exhalation. Relax, close your eyes. Observe what's happening within you. Observe the movements for 1 minute or 30 seconds. After that, open your eyes. Feel what is happening within you. Now, again, do this practice for 21 days and see the effect. Again, sit straight. If you are comfortable, you can increase the speed of Kapalabhati. Again, close your eyes. Observe what's happening within you. Feel the effect. Feel the blood circulation which is heading towards your head region. Keep eyes closed for 1 minute. Feel the effect. Slowly open your eyes. Again, suppose if you have done the practice for 20 days, 15 days, then you can increase the speed further, like this. Again, observe. Open your eyes. Initially, the count starts from 20, 30, 40. After 1 week, the count increases gradually, like 30, 20, 10. So keep on increasing the numbers day by day. Increase every day 10 or 5. Slowly increase the count. And while doing Kapalabhati, if you feel any case exhausted or strained, relax and feel comfortable. If you are exhausted, if you are strained, please stop the practice. And when to practice this Kapalabhati means usually Kapalabhati practice will be made in the morning or in the evening. Or if you don't have time, if you're very busy, then anytime you can practice, provided your stomach is empty. When your stomach is empty, you can do this practice. Some people say in the morning I can't do practice in the empty stomach because I am suffering from some disease. I can't keep my stomach empty. In that case, you can have little water or little half a cup of milk or a small fruit, 1 or 2 pieces of fruit. Then you can do the practice. Make sure that as much as possible keep yourself empty. Keep your stomach empty. Then only it will have more effect. Second thing, don't move your body during the practice and keep your back straight. Third thing, if you're not well, if you've undergone any major or minor surgery, please avoid the practice. Ladies, if you have stomach pain, please avoid the practice. And anytime, if you got stomach pain, abdominal, any injuries, please avoid the practice. In all the cases, you can do this practice comfortably. Thank you. If you need any more information, you can visit www.shastriyoga.com. If you have any queries, please write your queries. It will be answered. Thank you.